Wagwan, guys, guess what? It's Monday and a lot happened over the weekend. Messi solidified his status as the GOAT of football by winning his first international trophy. And for guys, all those who are supporters of England, my condolences. Italy, congratulations, guys. Now, guys, this is Blxckie Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we provide you with everything in entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and, of course, around the world. And you know what it is. My name is Kevoy B. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me everywhere at KEVOYB. And we're jumping right into the stories. Now, mainstream movies are great. But have you tried an indie film recently? You know what an indie film is? An indie film is like an independent film. You know, they shoot it out of pocket, the producers. Now, well, the Accra Indie Film Festival is ongoing during this month, and some of the activities have already started. The festival, initiated to showcase a large variety of movies from across several countries, has been a staple for many, many years in Ghana. Now, even though COVID has changed the formatting, the content gets better every single year. We at MX are going to be bringing you along the indie film journey, where we share some of the movies and directors' comments every day right here on MX Breaks. So stay tuned. And I am excited because I'm very passionate about film. I love film. Hey, I'm ready. Welcome all. Now, this weekend in Kumasi was lit. You know I love Kumasi, eh? Now, Sarkodie had initially planned to drop his No Pressure album. However, he moved it back to the 30th of July. But rather than cancel plans, he still launched a wild party in celebration of himself, as it also happened to be his birthday. The rapper headed to the basement lounge where he partied all night. Oh, yoy. What else? What else? This came right after he dropped his latest song, Vibration, featuring Vic Mensa. Now, fans have been taking each release very eagerly and anticipating more, as Sark shared that he'd be dropping more songs ahead of his album. And we've got the song right here, so let's have a look at it. You know this song is going to be on my iPhone as soon as this is over. Zayn, yeah, I like that song. I really like the beat. I like Sarkodie still. I like Sarkodie. I think he's lit. Now, guys, you know we always have some super talents here on our show from time to time, and today is no different. We have someone from South Africa, a superstar, a fast-rising superstar from South Africa. His name is Blxckie. Is Blxckie here? Blxckie, where you there? Blxckie, I like that song, my brother. Yeah, man, it has vibes. Vibes.
All right.
Yeah, man. So tell me, what influences your style of music?
I get influenced by a lot of things. A lot of people know now that I started off as like a poet. So a lot of my lyrics and stuff is more like poetry and stuff like that. And then otherwise, like on the singing side, I listen to a lot of neo soul, a lot of, old R&B music. And that's how the sound came about, the whole melodic sort of rap thing. Yeah.
Gotcha. Now, your rise started mainly through COVID lockdown. I mean, share how that happened, eh?
So over here in SA, the lockdown started last year in February. We had the first 21 days of lockdown through the pandemic. But then before that actually happened, I just came here to visit like some of my producer friends and just like make music. And then while I was here, the lockdown hit, so I couldn't actually go back home. You know what I mean? So that whole time, I was just working. I was just working on the craft, perfecting it, because I knew that one day, like I'd have to drop music and I'd have to introduce myself as a rapper. But I wasn't really dropping. I was just making music for myself. Because first, before I actually drop it, I have to actually like it myself. You know what I'm saying? Me and my friends have to like the songs and stuff. So I was just perfecting that whole craft. And then when the lockdown started lifting, like when we started dropping music, people could hear good, there's something different going on here. And then that's how everything started.
Nice. So, I mean, what convinced you to put your all into music? Because I know music is not like a traditional way of, earning money for a lot of people. So what convinced you to decide that music is where you're going to put everything into it?
Honestly, like that story that I just told you now about the whole lockdown, during that whole time, like there was a lot of money made. You know what I mean? I had a lot of features going on, a lot of different things that happened that like allowed me to like gain a little bit of like financial freedom for myself. And I was still in school at the time. So when I got the chance to go back home and I showed my people that like, nah, this is where the money is at and this is what I want to do for the rest of my life, like they understood it. You know what I mean? So that's basically what inspired me. And they were also cool with it because they also figured that like this is the quicker way, and if it's something I'm passionate about, I could take it very far, you know?
Yeah, that's true. If you do something you love, you'll never work a day in your life, eh? Now, you spoke about collaboration and you said Nasty C. Nasty C is a fellow rapper in South Africa. How was that collaboration?
Um, yeah, like Nancy is from the same place I'm from, Durban, South Africa. So it is very dope to actually meet him before actually making a song. He was like the idol. He was like the guy that's like, nah, from where I'm from, and he's doing things across the border, across the seas and stuff like that. He was going crazy. So to actually work to a point where he was comfortable with me, like being around him and like having real conversations besides music was very dope for me. And then when I had the song, like I knew that this is an anthem, and I need someone on it that's gonna take it super far. So yeah, like he was cool with it, and within like 3 days, like the song was already done, and we're good to go.
So who else do you want to work with? Who else is, someone that you definitely want to?
Um, I need a song with Rayma. Rayma's crazy. Rayma from Nigeria. Um, I'm trying to work out some stuff with DeVito. There's also some new kids on the block, also from out there. Like there's what's that guy? The YAW talk guy, Yo Talk, something like that.
Yatak.
Yeah, yeah,
Sorry.
yes, sir. That guy, that's crazy. So yeah, I'm just on the radar, just trying to branch out and get into other places in Africa besides just my local place.
Yeah, I hope it works out. But now you're a part of Africa's Rising now, Zayn, and on Apple Music. Tell me, what did it feel like when you got that phone call for the first time?
I've been working with Apple for a while, like since the first time I ever did something crazy with them was when they had me as the um what was it, the Apple Music Africa Rising guy, like on the playlist. Like I hadn't been on any playlist before because I was dropping most of my stuff on SoundCloud. So I hadn't put my music on those platforms. So for them to take me from that sort of thing and bring me into like the distribution platforms was crazy for me because like it means that a lot of people are listening. Um, besides just people buying music and stuff like that, the free music stuff, people are actually listening to that. So it gave me that chance to like branch out and have more people listening and watching. you know and right now I'm like the next African Rising artist. So that's just gonna put me in different continents and just expand, you know what I mean, because that's what we're trying to do at the end of the day, just be legendary and just branch out.
Gotcha. Now you're a part of a group called Cloud Internet Boys. I know you're a solo artist. So what's the current relationship with the Cloud Internet Boys? Quickly.
We cool. We working. They working on their own stuff also in Durban, and yeah, like I'm very proud of the boys. Like we all gonna come up together. Like I always tell people that I'm just trying to get to the top with all my friends, and yeah, we're gonna have a good time.
Nice. Now tell people where to find you on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, everywhere.
So on all social media platforms, it's Blxckie, Blxckie. So the A is an X, but I'm pretty sure if you search Somnyama, so SOMNYANA, on any platform, you'll find me for sure.
All right. Blxckie, thank you so much for coming on our show. Zayn, we really
All
appreciate
right.
it. Guys, go out, listen to the song. Zayn, tell them what the name of the song is.
The one that you're playing right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a song called Yeah X4 featuring Nasty C, the hottest, the biggest anthem in South Africa right now. Let's go crazy.
All right. Hey, bless up here, my brother. Respect.
Yeah.
We'll see you. Yeah, man. Bless. Yeah, man. That was Blxckie, guys, on our show. Zayn, very, very, very talented young man. Zayn going places, going far. Saying, yeah, man. Blxckie, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Now we're going to listen to Yeah. Before we go, guys, I want to tell you guys, remember to follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and everything. Zayn, remember that CompuGhana is still having their sale. So make sure you go to CompuGhana and get what you need to get. Save. Zayn, in the meantime, guys, my name is Kevoy B. This is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. I'll see you tomorrow. Little more. Big up yourself.